In today's video, you will learn how to extract Instagram followers and following from pretty much any profile. We're going to build it live, no Selenium needed, no coding required, and no need for expensive tools. It's very simple with the no code scraper by Bardeen.ai. Let's dive into it. And here's the demo of the two automations we're covering in today's video. The first one will allow us to scrape the followers or following from an Instagram account. So all you need to do is you need to click on following or followers. In this case, it's a following, and we have 400 accounts that Madonna is following. And I'm going to run the automation. Again, go to the link below, click on it, and you will have the exact same view. And let's click on scrape Instagram following. Pick the number of scrolls. That's how many times we're going to scroll down to load more profile pages. So if she has 400, probably you should do 40 scrolls. And then let's pick a spreadsheet to add the information to. Let's do Madonna IG with 1D. All right, let's click on run this, and what you're going to see over here is that our engine is scrolling down through all of her following. And if we open Bardeen one more time and see the results, you can click on view, and here you will have the results. We have around 96 profile pages that were scraped. And the second automation is going to allow you to enrich the information. So here we have only the handle, the name, and the link. What if you want to go to every one of those pages and get some additional information, such as their following, their followers, their descriptions, their links to websites, etc. So that's where the second playbook comes in. Copy a number of links or profile links that you want to enrich. Let's open Bardeen from any page. You can open it from here. Option B shortcut. And let's click on the second playbook. Again, go in the comments to try this out. Paste the links. New spreadsheet. Let's do new spreadsheet enriched. Click on run this playbook. And let's view the spreadsheet. Here we have additional information, number of posts, following, followers, descriptions, and their profile URLs. Again, these two playbooks are available in the comments below, so just click on them and you will have the ability to do exactly the same. Now, I'd like to show you exactly how I build these two automations. And here we have an Instagram account of Kanye West. Let's see who he is following. He has 7.5 people he's following. So we're going to click on that button, and here is the pop-up. It contains all of the information we need to extract. If you copy paste like this, it's not going to work. Plus you need to do a bunch of scrolling. So I'm going to show you exactly how to extract this information in a few seconds. And by the way, you do not need to repeat this process. You can just click on the link below, click on the playbook, and you can just go to an account and initiate the automation from there, and boom, you will have all of the following or followers. So I'm going to open our app. It's called Bardeen.ai, and here in the compose mode, you can create a new scraper model. So in order for us to do this, you just need to, let's delete the previous action. Let's a new scraper model, and that's the first action. We're going to scrape a list of items, and let's click on two similar items on this list. Boom. Now we know that there are list items right there recognized, and I want to just pick up some information that is visible here. So let's get the handle, and let's grab the, probably it's the, I'd imagine it's name, and then we can also get the link to the profile. Okay, and at the bottom you see the data preview, and boom, there we have it. That all it took. Pretty easy. Our scraper can extract information from pretty much any page. We confirm the scraper model, and now the last action is picking the pagination. So a long list, in this case it has 7,500 followers. It's going to be distributed across multiple pages, or it's going to just appear as you scroll down. So we have the infinite scroll. Boom, the scraper model is created. Now we need to get data using scraper model, and let's pick the scraper model we just created. We can also pick the pagination limit. So how many scrolls do I want to have? I want to have 20 scrolls, and I'm going to just click on run this. But if you have a list of URLs that you want to extract the Instagram followers or following from, you can just use on URLs and paste the URLs there. So for me, it's not relevant. I'm going to click on run this, and if we click on hide, you'll see the automatic scrolling. And here we have it, a list of 120 profiles. The last action I want to do is I want to add this information to Google Sheets. I can add it also to Notion, to Airtable. It's super simple for us to do. The command I'm looking for is called do append table rows to a Google Sheet. So I'm going to create a new Google Sheet, call it yay. Okay, and then from table, pick the last table, that's this table that we just generated, and it's going to create a new Google Sheet and add the information to that sheet. So there we have it. Let's click on view, and boom, here's all the information. Pretty simple, it's free. It's honestly like a 30-second job. Okay, so now we're going to save it as an automation. Let's click on new playbook and give it a name. I'm going to call it scrape Instagram following, and then I can click on parameterize to pick the spreadsheet that I want to add the information to sheet, and let's pick how many scrolls we want to have. So with say let's call it scrolls, page scrolls. Cool, I'm happy with that. Let's click on save playbook, and let's find another person to test the playbook on. We have Kim Kardashian, his wife. All right, and let's see who she follows. Only 157 people. So from here, I'm just going to go to that playbook, scrape Instagram following, pick the number of scrolls I want to have. I want to scroll 15 times. Okay, 15 times. And I want to create a new sheet and call it Kim. Let's click on run this. It's going to grab all of the information from here. All right. And let's check out the spreadsheet. Let's go to the compose mode and view the spreadsheet. And here we have all of her 160 profiles. Pretty neat. Now, what if I want to enrich those profiles to get some additional information, such as how many followers do they have, what is their profile description, and much more. So I'm going to go to an individual profile page. So there's this one, but I want to find somebody who has a little bit more information. All right, and here we have Elon Musk's account, and it has more information. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a new scraper model, and I'm going to pick the single page scraper and do the following. I'm going to pick the fields I'm interested in. So let's get his handle. Let's get his name. I guess this is the name. Let's do posts. Let's do followers, following. Let's do description. Show us extracted all. Description. Boom. There we have it. And yeah, that's all I need. Here's the preview of the data we're going to be capturing. Let's get his profile URL. So this is this part over there. So this is our scraper model, but we're going to be doing a little bit of magic. Essentially, we'll copy a bunch of links from here, and I will want to convert a list of links into the links that the scraper can take in. So for us to do this, we'll need to set a variable, and we're going to call it links, and we need to get links from text. This is the command that extracts. You can just paste a bunch of text and it's going to find all of the links and use the scraper model on them. Obviously, the links need to be of a certain structure. So let's do links in text, and then I'm going to paste the links. Let's paste the links here and click on run this, and we have a bunch of links. And the last part is let's get data using scraper model, the last scraper model. And here we are going to use on URLs and pick that variable that we created on links. And let's click on run this. And what you're going to see in the background, we're going to have a bunch of pages open, 9 pages open.
A few moments later.
And there we have it. Here we have 9 different tabs over there for every account that we had in the list. And I want to add this information once again to a spreadsheet. So let's call it enriched from Kim. That's our new spreadsheet from table, and let's use all table rows. And let's click on run this, and we'll have a new spreadsheet created with the enriched information. And like before, we're going to create a playbook out of it so that you can just copy and paste a bunch of Instagram links, and you will get a spreadsheet just like this. Pretty neat. All the information, handle, post, description, exactly what you might be looking for. And this is pretty much it. No hustle, no code, no Selenium, and just a few clicks. So let's finish the last playbook so you can actually use it. Let's call it Enrich Instagram links. Make this spreadsheet parameterizable, 2 sheets, and I want you to be able to provide a list of links with Instagram links. Okay, so you provide a list of Instagram links and you tell which spreadsheet you want to add the information to. And the next thing you want to do, when you want to enrich information from your Instagram, copy a few links, find that awesome playbook. It's called Enrich Instagram links. Paste the links over here, pick the spreadsheet, cool spreadsheet, watch the magic happen, and there is the spreadsheet. Let's click on view, and here is the data. Pretty awesome, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for awesome hacks just like this one. Explore other videos that we have in our channel with scraping and beyond, and till later.